Hello everyone. Standard 5 Maths, chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? Part 2. On page number 99, two girls are talking. Isha, your skirt is beautiful. Isha says, my mother made this pattern. On her skirt you can notice how nice the pattern is. I have seen the same block making a different pattern on a kurta. She says, same pattern I saw on the kurta. How was it different? She asked. कि वो different कैसे है? So, this is the pattern of Isha's skirt. How it is? You can see up, down. ऊपर है, नीचे है. ऊपर है, नीचे है. In first part we learn the half part, 1/4 part like that. Up. Then it is half, then down, up, down. Okay, it is up, down. But now in your skirt, the rule of the pattern is 1 up, 1 down. Then this is repeated. Up, down. We learn growing pattern and repeated pattern. So it is the repeated pattern. But in my brother's kurta, it is once up, then takes a 1/4 turn. We learn 1/4 turn every time. The rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. 1/4 clockwise turn. Same pattern, but some different thing is here. See, it is up, first up, then 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn, 1/4 turn. Okay, so it is 1/4 turn, then down, then this side 1/4 turn, 1 2 3 4 like that, then down, then this side, then up this side. So this pattern is on her brother's kurta and this pattern is on Isha's skirt. Now use these two rules to make pattern with this block. Here one block is given. With this block you have to make a pattern. These two rules you have to use. Which two rules? Half turn and 1/4 turn. So let's see. Here I have done for you. This is the block. Okay. Red flower is up, then down. So which pattern it is? It is the half turn. It is the half turn. Up, down. So this is the half turn. And this one. Up, then 1/4 turn, then down, then again 1/4 turn. So this is the 1/4 turn. So this type of pattern you can make in your own notebook. Okay, half turn and 1/4 turn. Instead of this block you can use other color block or other block also. Next, on page number 100, in previous video we learned 1/4 turn, half turn and 3/4 turn. Now practice time. One number, what should come next? 3 pattern given, we have to decide the next. I have done for you. You can see here this line, this line, this line. How it repeating? So let's see. This is the, we can make a parts. Let's make a part here. 1 2 3 4. Total how many parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Total 8 parts are there. So it is 1/8. So according to 1/8 it is turning 1/8. So first line is here. We will see this. We will notice this line. See. From here it is starting. This one. Then again next. This one. Next. This one. So what will be the next? This one. So I have done for you. And which is the next one? This one. So it is also I have done. Now next, n is given. How it is repeating? How is the pattern? First This is the original n. Then how it turns? It is half turn? No. Half turn होगा तो पूरा उल्टा हो जाएगा. It is the 1/4 turn. It is the 1/4 turn. So 1/4 turn. Okay, 1/4 turn है. So this is right side. Again it will be down. So same n. अब इस n को टर्न करो 1/4. इस साइड टर्न करना है. So once again this is the answer. And again इस पैटर्न को टर्न करो 1/4. इसको 1/4 टर्न करो. Okay, upside. So again we got this n. So this is the 1/8 turn and this is the 1/4 turn. Next on page number 101. Question C. Now one triangle is given. First we have to observe. In the triangle, first upside 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. We will observe only one thing. 4 dots this side, again this side, again this side. इस साइड पे आया, देन इस साइड पे, फिर इस साइड पे. सो यहाँ से कौन से साइड पे जाएगा? अप साइड पे. सिंपल है. देन अप से फिर कहाँ जाएगा? दिस साइड पे. यहाँ आया, यहाँ आया, यहाँ आया. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It is repeating like that. So you can do this in your textbook. This one circle, and in circle one block is given. It is downside, then this side. So this side, once again we can get the 1/4 turn. 1/4. यहाँ से कहाँ गया? यहाँ. Then up. So which will be the next? This side. Here. Then again from here which side? Down side. Okay. So this is the 1/4 turn. Now see the pattern. F. F is given here. Now see F. Then ये कौन सी साइड में टर्न हुआ है? Let's see first. Then this side. Can you guess this one? Here it is written. The rule of the pattern is turning by 45 degree each time. 45 degree each time. Which will be the next? Tick the right one. Now 45 degree. We already learned the angles. In angles, we learn this is the right angle. This is the right angle. So right angle 90 degree. Measure of right angle is 90 degree and half of right angle is 45. Half of 90. So this is the 45. Again 45. We can make a 90 degree. This is the 90 degree and half of 90 degree is 45. This is also 90 degree. This is the right angle and half of the right angle is 45 degree and this one also 45 degree. So this pattern is turning by 45 degree each time. So first this is the original position. यहाँ से इस पोजीशन पे आया. Yes. Then कौन सी? इस पे. So okay. Then next this one. So which will be the next? This one. So I have already done for you. And which is the right answer? This is the right answer. Now next, using the same rule, take it forward till you get back to what you started with. कहाँ तक जाना है? 45 डिग्री. सेम रूल 45 डिग्री वाला रूल यूज करना है. और L, मेन L इज गिवन. L से स्टार्ट करना है, फिर से L आए वहां तक. ओके. बॉक्सेस आर गिवन. वी विल कंप्लीट द बॉक्स. 45 डिग्री. 45 डिग्री I have done for you. It is turning by 45 degree. Okay. Each time it is 45 degree like this. This is 90 degree, then 45, 45, 45 and 45. This both I have done for you. So same thing you can pause the video and do in your textbook.